Did you ever consider that a potent health champion might be quietly residing in your kitchen at this very moment? No, we're not talking about your fancy gadgets or those pricey superfoods. It's something far simpler, incredibly accessible, and often underestimated. So, who is this unassuming champion, you ask? Brace yourself, it's none other than a humble clove of garlic. Yes, you heard right. Your trusty garlic clove is an unsung hero in the realm of health and wellness. Surprised? Skeptical, perhaps? Stick around, because in this presentation, we're about to unveil 6 astonishing health benefits of garlic that will revolutionize the way you perceive this kitchen staple. Now, you might be wondering, can garlic really be that good for you? The resounding answer is absolutely. Garlic, despite its unassuming appearance, is a tiny powerhouse brimming with health advantages. But before we delve into the details, let's address something we're all familiar with, the unmistakable, pungent aroma of garlic. That distinctive fragrance that wafts into the air when you slice open a garlic clove or sauté it in a pan is owed to a natural sulfur compound known as allicin. Allicin is the unsung hero here. It's the very reason garlic boasts its remarkable health properties. So, next time you're in the kitchen and greeted by that aromatic garlic sizzle, remember, it's not just a culinary aroma. It's the scent of health and wellness simmering away. Now that we've got the basics covered, let's peel back the layers and explore the 6 astonishing health benefits garlic offers. Boosted immunity. Can something as simple as eating more garlic turbocharge your immune system? Believe it or not, science supports this notion. A study involving over 41,000 women, aged 55 to 69, who routinely included garlic in their diets alongside fruits and vegetables, discovered a remarkable 35% lower risk of colon cancer. Incorporating more garlic into your meals might just be the tastiest way to fortify your immune system. Anti-inflammatory powerhouse. Garlic, particularly garlic oil, is a natural remedy for soothing achy joints and muscles. It's your all-natural pain relief solution, endorsed by the Arthritis Foundation for preventing cartilage damage caused by arthritis. Heart health support. Recent research reveals that garlic can significantly benefit your arteries and blood pressure. When red blood cells interact with the sulfur in garlic, they produce hydrogen sulfide gas, which relaxes blood vessels and promotes better blood pressure regulation. Skin savior. Garlic's antibacterial properties and antioxidant richness make it a formidable foe against acne-causing bacteria. It's a simple yet effective solution for acne, with some studies suggesting that rubbing raw garlic over pimples can help clear them. Bacterial bodyguard. Garlic takes on harmful bacteria like Salmonella and E. coli, making it a microbial superhero in your kitchen. However, remember, it's not a substitute for proper food safety practices. Antifungal ally. If you've ever battled athlete's foot, garlic might be your new best friend. Soaking your feet in garlic water or applying raw garlic can help combat the fungus causing discomfort and itchiness. As astonishing as these benefits are, it's essential to remember that garlic isn't a replacement for professional medical advice. Always consult your healthcare provider if your condition persists or worsens. Now, you might be wondering whether raw or cooked garlic is better. The relationship between garlic and its health benefits can be nuanced. While raw garlic is believed to offer the most benefits, both raw and cooked garlic have their merits. When heating garlic, it's best not to exceed 140 degrees Fahrenheit, 60 degrees Celsius, to preserve its health-enhancing properties. Whether you prefer your garlic raw or lightly cooked, rest assured it's working diligently to improve your health. And now, we want to hear from you. Do you have a favorite garlic recipe that allows you to harness these fantastic benefits? Share your stories and insights in the comments below. If you found this information about the incredible powers of garlic fascinating, show your appreciation by hitting that like button and spreading the word. Every like helps us bring you more exciting, fact-filled content. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family, and if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on more revelations about the hidden treasures in your kitchen. Furthermore, make sure to check out the links in the description below for more information. See you in our next video.